சொல்கிறவங்க சொன்னால் போவான். பாஸ்வேர்டு கேட்குதே.
என்னவா இருக்கும்? ஸ்வேதா மிஷின் அடி. வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு ராஜா.
போடா.
ஓப்பன் ஆயிடுச்சு.
என்னடா போட்ட?
1 2 3 4.
இந்த ஆளை போய் படித்தவன் நினச்சனே.
What is brute force attack? A brute force attack is a trial and error hacking methodology where the hacker tries guess correct PIN numbers, encryption key, password to gain unauthorized access to protected platform or system. Who were the first people to document the brute force attack? Cryptologists Whitfield Diffie and Martin Hellman in 1977 about the brute force attacks in the modern era. What are all the types of brute force attack? Simple brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, hybrid brute force attacks, reverse brute force attacks, credential stuffing. Which tools are used commonly for brute force attack? Aircrack NG, John the Ripper, Hydra. Why brute force attacks are done? Exploit ads or activity data, steal personal data, spread malware, hijack systems for malicious activity, ruin a company or website's reputation. Where brute force attacks are done? Brute force attacks are usually done on website, accounts or network. This attack is almost used everywhere where there is password protected security. How brute force attack is implemented? Brute force attacks are done through trial and error method by trying every possible combination that could make up a password that is correct one. How to prevent occurrence of brute force attack? Make passwords more difficult to discover. Multi-factor identification using lockout policies for user accounts that could limit number of failed login attempts.
For more stories, subscribe to our YouTube channel.